Hey guys, it's RocketCuber here. Today I have a new package from cubelilo.com. Let's get into the video, guys. Okay guys, I ordered a 2x2 guys. It's MGC 2x2 guys. Because MGC Elite is not available on India and I don't have option with Volk. So let's get into the package, guys. I got bored, guys, using only virtual cubes to solve 2x2. So I decided to buy a real 2x2. Yeah, guys, today I applied for a competition. It was going to be my first competition. So I decided to buy a 2x2, guys. Yeah, I got the package. Cubelilo. Visiting card, I think, guys. Nice. Okay, cubing parcel. I got a stand, guys. It's really great. Okay, let's get into the package. Okay, nice packaging. I like this pack. I think I don't know how to open it. I think it will be okay. Wait, guys.
2,000 years later.
The box looks really great, guys. Yeah, I find out the way to open. It's easy. Okay, then yeah, it's cool. It's like a really box. A cube, extra springs and extra magnets, I think. Yeah, a really great looking package. Yeah, solution pampered, I think. Yeah, it's a beginner tutorial. No. Okay, let's open the package. I was so excited, guys. Okay. Yes. It was my first 2x2, guys. Oh, it's really satisfying. Yeah, 2x2 looks great. Sorry, guys, it was my first 2x2. So, oh, it's really fast, guys. Single flick U2. Yeah, you can see that it was a really fast cube, guys. Okay. Little bit of loose, I think. Yeah, corner cutting, guys. Normal corner cutting. 45-degree, guys. Yeah, reverse is awesome, guys. It also 45-degree, guys. Yeah, the MGC logo looks really great, guys. It's not something kind of frosted. It doesn't look like glossy, but it's really good, guys. Good for grip. Oh, it's really fast, guys. Okay, I think I can do a solve now, guys. Starting with red is really great, I think. Oh no, I messed up. Okay, I'm going to practice, guys, and I will do great in competition, I think, guys. It's really great. Something like a sandy field, guys. Yeah, I really not experienced something like this, guys. It really feels like using little magic, guys. Yeah, guys, sorry, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time, guys.